Hello and welcome back to Real English Daily.
We are very happy to see you today.
Are you ready to learn some new English words?
Today we have a very useful topic for you.
We are going to talk about shopping at the supermarket.
Everyone needs to buy food every week.
Yes, so these words are very important for daily life.
You will hear us talk about fruit, bread, and paying for food.
Before we start, please subscribe to the channel.
And do not forget to like the video.
It really helps us make more lessons for you.
We have many long conversations for you to practice.
You can listen while you walk or clean the house.
Try to repeat the sentences after us.
It is the best way to speak better English.
Are you ready to go shopping with us?
I am ready to start the lesson.
Let us begin with the first conversation.
Situation 1. Making a shopping list.
Let us listen.
Ryan, we need to go to the supermarket today.
Oh, is the fridge empty?
Yes, we do not have much food left.
Okay, let us make a shopping list.
Do you have a pen and paper?
Yes, I have them right here.
First, we need some milk.
How many bottles of milk do we need?
2 bottles, please.
Okay, I wrote it down. What else?
We also need some eggs for breakfast.
A big box or a small box?
A big box of 12 eggs is good.
Got it. Do we need any fruit?
Yes, let us buy some apples and bananas.
I will add them to the list.
We also need chicken for dinner tonight.
Sounds good. I love chicken.
Do we need anything for the bathroom?
Let me check. Yes, we need soap.
Please write down 2 bars of soap.
The list is getting long.
I think that is everything we need.
Great, let us go to the store now.
Situation 2. Getting a shopping cart.
Let us listen.
We are finally here at the supermarket.
It is very busy today.
Yes, many people are shopping.
We have a long list. We need a shopping cart.
Can you go get one, please?
Sure. Oh wait, the carts are locked.
You need a coin to open the lock.
Do you have a coin in your bag?
Let me look inside my wallet.
I only have paper money.
I found a coin. Here you go.
Thank you. I will unlock a cart now.
Make sure the wheels are good.
What do you mean?
Sometimes the wheels do not turn well.
Oh, I see. This cart pushes very easily.
Perfect. Let us go inside the store.
The doors are opening automatically.
Where should we go first?
The fresh fruit is right here at the front.
Let us start there.
I will push the cart.
Thank you, Ryan. Follow me.
Lead the way, Emma.
Situation 3. Buying fresh fruit.
Let us listen.
Look at all these beautiful fruits.
They smell so nice and fresh.
The apples are on sale today.
Really? How much are they?
They are only $2 a kilo.
That is a very good price.
Let us get 5 red apples.
Do you want green apples too?
No, the red ones are sweeter.
Okay, I will put them in a plastic bag.
We also need some bananas.
Here are some yellow bananas.
Those look a bit too soft.
Do you want the green bananas?
Yes, they will be good to eat tomorrow.
How many bananas do you want?
A bunch of 6 is perfect.
Look, they have big watermelons too.
A watermelon is too heavy to carry.
You are right. Maybe next time.
Put the fruit in the cart, please.
Done. What is next on our list?
Let us go find the bread.
Okay, I will push the cart.
Situation 4. Looking for bread.
Let us listen.
The bread is usually in aisle 4.
Let me look at the signs above.
Do you see it?
Yes, aisle 4 says bread and cakes.
Great, let us walk down there.
Oh wow, there are so many kinds of bread.
Do you want white bread or brown bread?
Brown bread is healthier for us.
I agree. Let us find a fresh loaf.
How can we tell if it is fresh?
You can feel it gently. It should be soft.
Let me try this one. It feels very soft.
What is the date on the plastic tag?
It says it was baked this morning.
Perfect. Put it in the cart.
Do we need any bread rolls for hamburgers?
No, we're eating chicken tonight, remember?
Oh yes, I forgot.
Do you want a sweet cake for dessert?
That chocolate cake looks very tasty.
Okay, let us buy 1 small cake.
I am so happy we got cake.
Let us move to the next aisle.
I am right behind you.
Situation 5. Checking the milk date.
Let us listen.
We are at the dairy section now.
It is very cold in this part of the store.
Yes, the fridges keep the food cold.
We need 2 bottles of milk.
Do you want full-fat or low-fat milk?
I like full-fat milk better.
Okay, here are the big bottles.
Wait, let us check the date on the bottle.
Why do we need to check the date?
Milk can go bad very fast.
You are right. Where is the date?
It is usually printed on the blue cap.
Let me look closely.
What does it say?
This one expires tomorrow.
We cannot drink 2 bottles by tomorrow.
Let me reach to the back of the fridge.
Are the ones in the back newer?
Yes, the new milk is always at the back.
What is the date on that bottle?
It says next Friday.
That is much better. Grab 2 of those.
Okay, they are very cold.
Put them safely in the cart.
Situation 6. Buying meat for dinner.
Let us listen.
We need chicken for our dinner tonight.
The meat counter is over there.
Let us talk to the butcher.
Hello, we would like some chicken, please.
We need chicken breast, not legs.
How much do we need for the 2 of us?
I think half a kilo is enough.
The butcher is weighing the meat now.
It looks very fresh.
He is wrapping it in paper.
Here is your chicken. Thank you.
Should we get some beef too?
We can make soup with beef tomorrow.
That is a great idea.
Let us ask for a small piece of beef.
Excuse me, can we have some beef as well?
Just a small piece, please.
Okay, he is printing the price sticker.
Put the meat in the cart carefully.
I will put it away from the bread.
Good thinking. We do not want it to leak.
Our cart is getting full.
We still have a few more things to buy.
Let us check the list again.
Situation 7. Finding the rice.
Let us listen.
We need rice to eat with our chicken.
I cannot find the rice anywhere.
Did you check the pasta aisle?
Yes, but I only saw spaghetti.
Maybe it is in the international food aisle.
Let us walk over and look.
Look at all these sauces and spices.
I see beans and corn, but no rice.
Let us ask someone who works here.
Excuse me, where can I find white rice?
The worker says it is in aisle 7.
Thank you. We are in aisle 9 right now.
So we need to go back 2 aisles.
Here is aisle 7.
Ah, I see the rice at the bottom shelf.
Do we need a small bag or a big bag?
A medium bag is fine.
White rice or brown rice?
Let us get the white jasmine rice.
It smells really good when you cook it.
Yes, it is my favorite kind of rice.
I am putting it in the cart.
Good job. We are almost done with the main food.
Shopping takes a long time.
Situation 8. Choosing a snack.
Let us listen.
Can we go to the snack aisle now?
Are you feeling hungry, Emma?
Yes, looking at food makes me hungry.
Okay, let us get a small snack for later.
This aisle is full of chips and cookies.
It is not very healthy, but it is tasty.
I want some potato chips.
Which flavor do you like?
I love the cheese flavor.
The cheese ones are in the yellow bag.
Oh, they are very expensive today.
Let us check the store brand chips.
What is a store brand?
It is a brand made by the supermarket.
Are they cheaper?
Yes, they are half the price.
Do they taste the same?
I think they taste very good.
Let us try the cheap ones then.
I will get a bag of pretzels for myself.
Pretzels are a good crunchy snack.
Yes, I like to eat them while watching movies.
Let us put the snacks in the basket.
We have snacks. Now we need drinks.
Situation 9. Buying drinks.
Let us listen.
The drinks are in the next aisle.
We need some water and some juice.
Do we need sparkling water or still water?
Still water is better for everyday drinking.
Okay, grab a big pack of 6 bottles.
They are quite heavy.
I can help you lift them.
Thank you. Let us put them at the bottom.
Now let us choose some juice.
I want orange juice.
Look, this orange juice has no sugar added.
That is a healthy choice.
Let us get 1 carton of orange juice.
Do you want any soda?
No, soda is too sweet for me.
Maybe some iced tea?
Iced tea sounds lovely.
Peach flavor or lemon flavor?
Lemon flavor is very refreshing.
I will take 1 bottle of lemon iced tea.
Be careful, do not drop the glass bottle.
I am holding it tight.
Our cart is really heavy now.
Yes, pushing it is a little hard.
Situation 10. Looking for eggs.
Let us listen.
We still need to find the eggs.
Are they near the milk?
No, I did not see them in the fridge.
Let me look around.
Oh, I see a sign for eggs over there.
They are on a normal shelf, not in a fridge.
Yes, sometimes eggs are not kept cold.
Let us get a big box of 12.
Wait, open the box first.
Why do I need to open it?
We have to check if any eggs are broken.
Oh, that is a smart idea.
Carefully lift the lid.
Let me see. These look fine.
Wait, the one in the corner has a crack.
You are right. I see a small crack.
Put that box back and check another one.
I am opening a different box.
Do they all look perfect?
Yes, all 12 eggs are completely safe.
Close the box tight.
Put it gently on top of the bread.
Yes, we do not want to crush them.
They are resting safely on the bread.
Situation 11. Getting some cheese.
Let us listen.
I almost forgot, we need cheese.
For our sandwiches tomorrow?
Yes, we need cheese for lunch.
There is a cheese counter right here.
Wow, there are cheeses from many countries.
Do you want soft cheese or hard cheese?
Hard cheese is better for sandwiches.
Let us get some cheddar cheese.
They have yellow cheddar and white cheddar.
Which one do you prefer?
The yellow one looks very nice.
Should we buy it in slices or a block?
Slices are very easy to use for sandwiches.
You are right, it saves time.
Let us pick up this pack of sliced cheese.
Oh, wait, the block of cheese is cheaper.
Is it a big price difference?
Yes, we save a lot of money with the block.
I can just cut it myself at home.
Let us take the block then.
Good choice. Put it with the milk.
The dairy items are all together now.
Our list is almost finished.
Let us keep going.
Situation 12. Finding the frozen food.
Let us listen.
Do we need anything from the frozen section?
Maybe some frozen peas for the soup.
The freezers are at the back of the store.
It is really freezing here.
Look at all the frozen pizzas.
They look so easy to cook.
We are cooking chicken today, remember?
I know, but maybe for the weekend?
Okay, we can grab one frozen pizza.
Now let us find the vegetables.
They are in the next freezer door.
I see frozen carrots, beans, and peas.
Grab a bag of green peas.
My hands are getting cold holding this bag.
Put it in the cart quickly.
Do you want some ice cream too?
Ice cream sounds wonderful right now.
Vanilla or chocolate flavor?
Let us get strawberry ice cream.
This pink tub looks delicious.
We need to go pay soon.
Why the hurry?
The ice cream will melt if we wait too long.
Oh, you are absolutely right.
Situation 13. Looking for cleaning soap.
Let us listen.
Wait, we forgot the soap for the bathroom.
Oh no, where is the cleaning aisle?
It is usually far from the food.
Let us walk to aisle 1.
Yes, I see shampoo and toothpaste here.
We need bar soap for washing hands.
Here is a pack with 3 bars of soap.
Smell it. Does it smell nice?
It smells like lavender flowers.
That is a very relaxing smell.
Do we need washing powder for clothes?
Let me think. Yes, we have a little left.
It is better to buy it now.
This box of powder is huge.
It will last us for a month.
Put it at the bottom of the cart.
Keep it away from the fresh vegetables.
Yes, soap and food should not mix.
Do we need any toilet paper?
We bought a big pack last week.
Okay, then we are done with this aisle.
That was the last item on our list.
Great. Let us go to the cash register.
Finally, I am ready to pay.
Situation 14. Waiting in line at the cash register.
Let us listen.
Oh wow, the lines are very long today.
Everyone wants to buy food at the same time.
Let us find the shortest line.
That line over there only has 2 people.
But look, their carts are completely full.
You are right. It will take a long time.
What about the self-checkout?
We have too many items for self-checkout.
Let us stand in line number 5.
Okay, I will push the cart behind this lady.
We can start putting our items on the belt.
Should I put the heavy things first?
Yes, put the water and rice on the belt.
The belt is moving slowly.
Now put the cans and the meat.
I will put the eggs and bread last.
That way they do not get crushed.
The cashier is very fast.
She is scanning everything quickly.
We need to get our shopping bags ready.
Did you bring our reusable bags?
Yes, I have 3 bags in my pocket.
Perfect, we do not have to buy plastic ones.
It is our turn now.
Situation 15. Paying and packing bags.
Let us listen.
Hello, how are you today?
Hello.
The cashier says the total is $60.
That is not too bad for all this food.
Are you paying with cash or card?
I will pay with my credit card.
Okay, insert your card into the machine.
It asks for my PIN code.
Type it in secretly.
Okay, the machine says approved.
Can we have the receipt, please?
She handed me the long paper receipt.
Let us pack the bags quickly.
I will put the cold milk and meat together.
Good. I will put the fruit and bread in this bag.
What about the heavy items?
Put the rice and bottles in the strongest bag.
Everything is packed safely.
Thank you, Ryan.
Now we just have to walk to the car.
I will carry the light bag.
I can carry the 2 heavy bags.
You are very strong. Let us go home.
I am ready to cook that chicken.
Wow, that was a very long shopping trip.
We learned so many new words today.
You heard us make a shopping list together.
You also heard us buy fruit, bread, and meat.
We practiced how to talk to a butcher.
And we learned how to pay at the cash register.
Shopping is something we do every single week.
Using these words will help you in real life.
Try to remember these phrases next time you shop.
Please hit the subscribe button if you liked this lesson.
Give the video a thumbs up to support us.
We love making videos for Real English Daily.
Keep practicing your English every day.
We will see you in the next long lesson.
Goodbye and happy learning.